After doing all the exercises of all the study in the previous videos, finally we are going to start exercise 1, which is going to be very easy and very simple for us all. So let's start our video and do the work. Sometime there will be work of doing your own, so you must have to concentrate on listening and understanding how to solve the questions. Exercise 1, page number 30. Fill in the blanks. The place value of 8 in this. The place value of 8 is 8,000. 31,000, 31, 43 and 25 are odd number. 52 is smaller than 53, so you will have to add smaller sign. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 are in ascending order. 11 is greater than 10. State whether the following are true or false. In 495, place value of 9 is 10. This is true. The place value of 9 is actually 10. Roman numeral V stand for 4. This is false. Actually it stands for 5. 73 is an even number. False. No, this is odd number. 84 is an even number. This is true. 84 is even number. 15 is greater than 14. This is also true. Question number 3. Select the correct answer from the given option. Roman numerals. XVI stands for 16. This one is correct. Just color it. 400,340 in figure is 400,340. So the number 19 is greater than 18. The place value of 2 in 21,750 is 20,000. The place value is 20,000. 17 in Roman number is XVI, 10 and 7, 17. Write the numbers in Roman numeral 6, XVI, 10, X, 11, XI, 8, V3I, 7, VII, 20, XX. Write the Roman number in numerals. IX9, XIX19, XIV 14, V5, XV15, XII 13. So write the odd number. You can write it on notebook as well. You can write it in the given place. So odd number 15 to 17, 50, 50 to 70, 51, 53, 55, 57, 59, 61, 63, 65, 67, 69 are the odd numbers between 50 to 70. List the even numbers 60 to 80. So 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80. These are the even number. Okay, I will guide you about 2 of them and others you will have to do. This is 6-letter number actually. Write the name of these number in the words. 672,000 and 72. 509,000 and 453. So this column is 1000, this is 100. So 300,000, 801. 790,000 only. 250,685 only. 854,792. 101,111. 970,420. Write the numbers in figure. 206,366, So 206,366, 155,604, 155,604, and again 906,354, 725,120, 725,120. So the way like this you will have to solve the questions by yourself. So dear student, now come on the page number 30. Write these numbers in thousands, hundreds and tens. Thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. I use this sign, but you need not to use this. You will write thousand, 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 thousand here. So in this expression, thousand is 211,500, 8 tens and 9 ones. So in the same way, 364,700, 1 tens and 1 ones. 972,000, 0 hundreds, 4 tens, 5 ones. You will write 100, 100, 100, 100, tens, 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 ones, ones respectively, and you will solve it. 656,9 hundreds, 0 tens and 2 ones. 340,000, 2 hundreds, 6 tens and 5 ones. That's okay. Write the value of the circled digit. This is 9,000, this is 400, 0 hundred, 800, 8,000, 7 tens, 7,000, 8 ten thousands. Write the number in expanded form. So you will write 1 and count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will write 5 zeros. Then after 5, according to the place value, you will write 4 zeros. After 2, you will have to write according to the place value 1, 2, 3 zeros, and in 7 place value 2 zeros, and in 9 its place value is 10. So you will have to write 1 0 and 6. According to the place value you will add the zeros. After 3 you will have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Then after 1 you will have to write 4 zeros. Then after 8 you will have to write 3 zeros. Then after 2 you will have to write 2 zeros, and you will plus add, write in an expanded form. Look at these expanded form written in the numbers. So after solving it, I have concluded that 271,551, 830,429, 909,999, 743,056, 182,103, 394,260. So this is the expanded form written in numbers. So last one is last not least, because in the previous videos we have done it many times and I had taught you many times how to find the greater or smaller number. So please add the symbols if this number is greater or smaller than this. So add the suitable symbol. You must have to do it by yourself and write these number in ascending and descending order. Ascending, smaller, then greater, and at last the greatest. Okay, write these number in ascending order and again write these number in ascending order. Both are, you will have to write them in ascending order. So please, you can arrange it by yourself and do. This was all about chapter 1. Hope you will be understanding. If you have any confusion, you can ask me and you can read the book again and again, because all the description is given in your book. Do your work very neatly and submit it to the school soon, because you will have to complete first 3 chapters. So first is close, that is something good. Inshallah, next week we will start the second chapter. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz. Keep watching our channel. Please subscribe for more videos.